Welcome to the Unity 2.5-inch disk drive replacement demonstration. For more detailed instructions, always refer to the applicable procedure on support.emc.com. To begin, we're going to log into Unisphere using the admin account. As we can see on the Unity dashboard in the System Health window, there are two hardware issues reported. Click the hardware icon to view more details. This brings us to the System View page. Here we can see that the disk processor enclosure, or DPE Disk 23, needs attention. Let's click on it for more information. Now we can see where the DPE disk drive number 23 is located. If the faulty disk was in an optional disk array enclosure, or DAE, instead of the DPE, the link would bring you to the proper DAE enclosure view. We can also take a look at the alerts page to confirm the problem. Here we see 4 alerts that would be generated from a faulted disk drive that is not part of a disk pool. Now that we have identified which drive to replace, let's go to the front of the storage system and replace it. Identify the faulted disk by the amber fault LED. Push down on the disk's orange release button to release its latch. Slowly pull the disk straight out about 1 inch from a slot and wait 30 seconds for it to stop spinning. Then, pull the disk completely out of the slot. Align the replacement disk drive with the guides in the slot. With the disk carrier latch fully opened, gently push the disk into the slot. Push the handle down to engage the latch. The disk activity light flashes to reflect the disk's spin-up sequence. To check the disk drive status, log back into Unisphere. Begin by navigating to the System view. Click on the Enclosures tab and then select the DPE Front View. Here we can see that DPE Disk 23 is now operating normally. Now let's check the Alerts page, and we can see now that the storage system is operating normally. To complete the replacement task, we're going to acknowledge all the alerts and log out of Unisphere. This completes the Unity 2.5-inch disk drive replacement demonstration.